Yo, it's EcycleMD, and today we've got the unboxing of a Bafang motor. It's a 750 watt, 48 volt Bafang motor.
Actually, there's 3 Bafang motors in here.
Oh, there's 3 motors in here?
Yeah, this is a couple projects we're working on.
Wow, let's check it out.
We got them from our partner, Unirao, who we're a dealer for. They also have bike kits and motors and stuff like that.
I was looking at the box and I was thinking it was going to be hub motors originally, but these are mid-drives from what I'm guessing then, yeah?
No, these are hub motors.
No, these are hubs? Okay.
Yep. So they give you an extra cord.
Nice.
Okay, we're not going to use that.
Check that out, too.
Okay.
Some bullet connectors.
Yeah, that's if you want to use the old style connectors, the old controllers. I don't want to cut anything I don't want to. And we reuse a lot of packing material when we ship things out, so we try to be conservative. So
these are just the hubs.
So just the hubs.
Check it out.
Okay, so it's RMG 648 volts, 750 watts.
Nice.
We're going to upgrade from a 48 volt 500 watt bike to a 750, and then we're going to also upgrade one Saunders bike.
Yeah, those from the last video.
From 36 volt 350 to 48 volt 750 watts. And then we're also going to try to put this in the Himaway motor casing.
Nice.
So we're going to do an experiment with that.
Cool.
All right.
Yeah, here, let me see it so we can show it off a little bit more. Heavy, but not too heavy. Yeah, check that out. It's got the nice and shiny, brand new Bafang. Got all the tools over here.
And it's set up for freewheel. Set up for freewheel and disc brakes.
Nice. So yeah, if you're gonna do your disc brakes, your rotor goes on right here, and like you was showing on the other side, there's the thread.
And this has the big motor connector to a 25 or 30 amp controller.
Cool.
And so we're going to put it in.
Nice. Well, I think that wraps it up for the unboxing, because we already know what's inside these two. So we'll be back next time after we've played around with these a little bit. This is EcycleMD. If you're in Washington, D.C., or Maryland and Virginia, feel free to hit us up for all of your e-bike and even e-scooter needs. Yes, that's right. We work on e-scooters. And e-bikes, we work on any brand. So feel free to contact us. And stay tuned.